Hello, this is Stef and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to introduce and use FFmpeg. FFmpeg is a library and also available as executable to manage multimedia streams. So if you would like to to convert from one video to another, so using the video and merge the audio from another, there's some sample use cases that you can use with FFmpeg. You want to put subtitles and audio and video all together, so this is something that you can do. You can also apply filters. We're going to see some of them during the course of these videos and the next. If you would like to check how many applications use FFmpeg, because I told you there's a lot of applications using it, but I didn't show you how. So FFmpeg applications, and here you have the Wikipedia page showing the software that uses FFmpeg. So some of them maybe you used them. For example, Handbrake. Handbrake is a useful application to convert and read videos from DVDs, for example. There's OBS Studio, so to record and shoot videos here. So VLC Media Player. VLC is very famous nowadays as a generic video player. And the property of FFmpeg is that it doesn't use any codecs installed in your application, in your operating system. So everything that is installed in your operating system works in its own way without applications. FFmpeg uses its own pool of codecs, so no need to install anything. And if you have a very pesky video that uses a codec that is not installed on your system, maybe FFmpeg makes it playable. So it's a really cool thing. So let's provide the basics. Now we're going to see first of all how to install them in Ubuntu. Now we are in Ubuntu. This is the distribution that is a flavor of Ubuntu that uses XFC, that is a graphical server, that is a desktop manager that is a bit lighter, and this is usually the one that I use. Ubuntu is a bit too heavy for the computer I have. So how to retrieve FFmpeg? We can go to the browser. And here we can type FFmpeg. So we're going to Google FFmpeg, and this is the FFmpeg website. So what can we find here? First of all, a small description about the FFmpeg and a complete cross-platform solution to record, convert, and stream audio and video. So it lets us also get to the page, the download page already. Here we have the sample command, that is FFmpeg -i, but we'll see these flags later. So let's go to the download page, and here it gives us the possibility to download FFmpeg in many flavors. So here we have we can download the source code. So this is the alternative version of downloading the FFmpeg source code. The other time we did the other that is available here. I'm going to increase the size a little. Here we go. So here we have we used this command last time. You can also download it from here or use wget. We already installed it before the last time. Or you can use the packages. So you can use so depending on which operating system you are. If you are on Linux, you can use the distribution you would like. So for Ubuntu, here it will lead you to the official repository page, where there is all the description about everything that is there. Or so this FFmpeg, you can install it using the way old and overly used apt. So here we can use sudo apt install FFmpeg, and it will search for FFmpeg itself. Okay, so here we are on Windows. This is Windows 10. I did not update it to Windows 11, but the instructions are the same. So we're going directly take the Windows version, Windows 10 version. So we're going to FFmpeg, and again, same website as before. Download. Here you have the Windows version. Here you have a couple of websites. So usually I use the first, the other the equivalent, and here you can download the version you want. You have the Git master builds. So this is updated every day. These are the releases, so if you want an official one, stable, no problems with the codecs, no problems with other stuff, use this. If you want to be updated with the up-to-the-edge features, use this. So up to you. It is really cool that you have also some tools available. Maybe one day we can use them. If you want to use them, post a comment down below. And so let's get started and download one of these versions. I'm using the full, so where we have everything. In the other, there are only the necessary things that so for us the full one is more than enough. So that's it. To have it installed, so there's no proper installation on the Windows, so if you want to open it, here you have it. So here we have the zip file. We can unzip it, so 7-zip, unzip in the same folder. Cool, here it is. And inside we have the bin folder, the doc folder. The bin contains the executables, contains the programs. Doc contains the documentation. If you want to give it a read, it is there. Otherwise, under the FFmpeg website, you have the documentation right here. And here got all the links that you would like. So here there is the full reference with all the flags available. Okay, so here, as soon as you are in the bin folder, you have the things already available. If you would like to open the command line, you go to the address bar, you type cmd, and you have your prompt ready to be used. FFmpeg -v, and here we go, ready to be used. So let's go over it. Now we're going to see how to use FFmpeg. Okay, here we are back to Ubuntu. I'm using Ubuntu, but if you want to use Windows, there's no problem. So the comments that we're going to see, if you want to use the Windows version, it's the same. So first thing, we want to analyze this video, and this video is the one that we used last time. So the Big Buck Bunny piece. We're going to see how this file is made. So we're going to see FFmpeg, and the first flag you're going to see is the -i. So the -i is the one that allows you to check what are the streams that contain this video. So I'm going to take this as the input. So FFmpeg sample video, blah blah, and let's get started. So you see here that there are two streams. There is input 0. This is the container. The container says, it says MP4. The first stream, stream 0, this is the one that tells the container. So 0 means this container is 0. If you can have multiple boxes, multiple containers inside. And the first codec is an H.264. So this is a video encoded with the H.264. The other is the audio. The audio is AAC, Advanced Audio Codec. So now we know how the file is made. What we would like to do is to convert the video in order to make it different, with a different codec, a different container, both for the audio and the video. So what we can do is FFmpeg -i, name of the file in input. So let me do one thing first, cd videos, okay, and so FFmpeg -i, sample video, this is our input, and then we're going to call this output sample.mp4. Or we can change also the container, so we say -avi. Okay, now we have our video created. If you take a look, we have both the files. So the output sample is a new video, but let's have a look how the video looks like. Okay, so now let's have a look. Let's have a look of the quality of the output video compared to the input video. So let me open this video. This is the input video. So let's check that a bit better. Okay. So this is the input video. Now I'm going to see the output video. You see there are a bit more squares, a bit more nasty thing going inside, because we made a compression. We compressed the video even more. The video was compressed even before. We're going to see the principles of compression if you would like. Comment down below if you would like. So we reduce the quality. So what can we do if we don't want to reduce the quality, we only want to copy the streams? We're going to make a copy stream. So let's see this. Okay, so now what we want to do is to make a stream copy. So we want to transfer the stream, the video stream, onto a new file without the audio, and we want to copy the stream. So we don't want to lose the quality during the process. So to do this, we invoke FFmpeg -i for input, and then we got to specify which is the video codec we want to use. So to specify a codec, we put the flag -c colon V. V stands for video. So now we're going to set the video codec. And then we got to select the codec we want. In this case, we want to copy the stream, so we type copy. Now, if we do like this and we're going to take the output video, we have, okay, the video stream copied, but the audio stream is recompressed. So we want to mute the video. So to mute the video, we're going to put -an, so no audio. And I'm going to rename it video only dot. In this case, we're going to change the container also, so .mkv. This is Matroshka video. And here we go. We have the new video, FFmpeg -i sample video. This is the video only. And here we have only the video, you can see. So we have the Matroshka as container and the video codec H.264. We don't have any references about the audio. If you want to play it, so basically VLC that uses FFmpeg. And if you take a look, there are no nasty artifacts like the ones that we had before. So cool, this is something that was super welcome. Okay, now let's do the same thing with the audio. FFmpeg -I sample video.mp4. This is the input video. What we want to do is to only extract the audio stream. So now what we would like to do is to set the codec for the audio, so -C, colon A stands for audio. In this case, we're going to copy. We want to exclude the video, so -VN. So before we did -AN to exclude the audio, now we exclude the video, -BN. And then the name of the file is output, sample video, audio only. Dot, we got to specify a container that is supported by the codec. We remember that the previous codec, the codec of the original video is AAC, so we got to put a container that is proper, for example M4A, and then we're going to check. Good, so we have the audio, we have the video, so you want to check if the audio works. It's heard. And then we have the two streams separate. We want to check also with FFmpeg, sample video audio only. You see that there is the container that is that tells that is similar to the MP4. Cool. And as audio, we have AAC. Cool. So we have the two streams separate, and the quality will be the same. Okay, final thing, we have the audio, we have the video, and we can merge them together. So FFmpeg. Here, the only difference from what we did before is to put a series of -I flags, so a series of input files, and in the end, we're going to take the sample video with the video only. This is the input, the first input. -I, still the audio track. Good. Here you've got to specify which are the codecs, so -C, V, copy, -C, A, copy. So we want to copy the audio stream, we want to copy the video stream, and then we put the final output, so sample output. Here we can select the container, so let's put a compatible container, so it can be AVI, MP4, MKV, or other that support both the codecs, otherwise you will have an error. So let's keep the MKV and let's see what happens. Good, so now we should have an MKV video, that should be this one. This one has as input two streams, so it has two streams, one with the video, one with the audio, and they should be comparable with the original, so they don't have any changes. Again, we analyze the input video, FFmpeg -I, sample video output, and let's see what does it have. So it has a video stream, H.264, it has an audio stream, AAC. If we look at the sizes, we see that the input video properties, it says, oh, let me use the command line. So, no, let's see from here. So here it says that the size of the video, the input video is 1 megabyte. Also, this is 1 megabyte. It has some bytes of difference. So here you see that is 1055736. Here is 1055068. So it's slightly smaller. This all depends on the container. Maybe the container is a bit leaner, a bit thinner, and so everything is perfect, is okay. So the two streams are comparable. If you want to make the comparison with the file that we did at the beginning, we expect it to be smaller. And in fact, it is 696.3 kilobytes. Okay, so what can it be useful for? Because now we did the input, we did the output that is the same as the input, but for example, if you have audio and video from different files, you can merge them together in this way, so it will work. At the moment we finished for today. So thank you very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you would like, if you like the video, and see you next time with new content. Also remember, if you would like to put a comment down below, I appreciate that. See you next time with new content related to these things. Thank you very much. Bye. Ciao, ciao, ciao.